Hi, I'm Matthew Buzzi here with Microsoft's new line of Surface products. We have updates to existing products, new versions of existing products, and also entirely new products here. This is probably the most exciting thing. This is the Laptop Studio, which kind of replaces the Surface Book in Microsoft's lineup. Looks like a fairly standard laptop, but as you may have seen, it has a few fancy tricks that it's sort of hiding. The main one being this kind of crazy hinge, which we can talk about. It reminds me of the Acer's Concept D, has this sort of easel thing, and Microsoft is now taking it to the Surface line. So on one hand, you get this sort of two-in-one hybrid screen style that is good for watching content, maybe playing games, move the screen a bit more, a bit closer to you. So that's kind of a nice feature to have just for viewing content. And then since this is a laptop that's kind of aimed at creative professionals, you can continue it all the way and turn it flat, making this drawing tablet. The clever thing is too, the pen. There's the new version of the pen, so it's new and improved with better haptics, sort of makes you feel, in combination with Windows 11 and the display technology, like you're really dragging a pen across canvas or paper, more so than just doing a physical touchscreen. So clever magnetic attachment spot for the pen, really pretty neat, and the kind of elegance of this two-in-one system is really pretty cool. Takes a little bit of getting used to, and doing it backwards is probably not how I'd recommend anybody do it, but even then it works. It's really simple. It kind of snaps into place magnetically, so you get a sort of confidence about it. And once you do it a few times, you really do get pretty used to it. It's otherwise the same nice sort of sturdy, high quality Surface build we've come to associate with the product line. This is going to start around $1,600, so fairly expensive. Again, it is a pro kind of creator laptop though, not sort of a entry-level everyday notebook. It is really meant for more serious work. And to that end, there's Intel H series, Core i5 or Core i7 processors, as well as Nvidia RTX 3050 Ti, or even the A professional line GPU option. So pretty serious power, really nice form factor. This is a 14.4-inch screen, high-resolution display. It's 3:2 aspect ratio, as are most things with Surface. Sort of gives you that more digital paper sort of feel, as opposed to more, the screen. Since they want you working on it, they want you to feel like it's art, creation, paper on your screen, that more vertical sort of feel. And it does work. So yeah, I think this is really a neat product. We might see this idea come to other products. As I said, some have done something similar, the Acer Concept among them. But this is a really elegant solution, and definitely the most portable we've seen any sort of version of this. So overall, really cool. One other thing to literally touch on is that there's also haptics in the touchpad, sort of this similar to the MacBook sort of feedback you have. That's not just the click. It's kind of somewhere in between, and you can also adjust the sensitivity of that to tune it to your liking. So all these things combined, I know that price tag's not low certainly, but this is a high-end machine for creative professionals. So all those things really add up to a really cool laptop, and we're looking forward to putting it through its paces. Also announced is the new Surface Pro 8. It's been a while since we've seen an update in design form. We've seen some iterative additions and also some component upgrades, but it's been a minute since we've seen a design upgrade. And it's not major, but you will maybe notice the thinner bezel, the display bezels are thinner, which mirrors sort of the Pro X. We love that more modern, thin sort of design. It looked more modern. The Pro X wasn't quite what we wanted maybe, but in the new Surface Pro 8, which is more powerful, and the camera's been improved, and it's USB-C with Thunderbolt ports. It's all these things that make it a more two-in-one PC with this thinner bezel look and this more modern design. So we really like what we see out of that. Again, stay tuned for more on that. It's the same great build, metal, portable, everything we like about the Surface line. So we will, of course, review all these products when we can get their hands on them. Thank you so much for watching.